this video, we will learn about the important people and events of the Vijaynagar and Behmani kingdoms. Let us begin with the Behmani kingdom. The Behmani kingdom was established in 1347 CE by Alauddin Bahman Shah, who was earlier known as Hassan Gangu. The kingdom existed for nearly 180 years. During this period, it was ruled by 18 different rulers. Let us learn about a few of them. Muhammad Shah I, who ruled from 1358 to 1375 CE, waged two wars against the Vijaynagar kingdom. However, he was defeated. Firoz Shah Bahmani ruled from 1397 to 1422 CE. Under his rule, the kingdom became a cultural center. In 1463 CE, Muhammad III became the ruler. He had a prime minister, Mahmud Gawan, who introduced many reforms. From 1490 CE onwards, the kingdom saw a lot of internal conflicts and eventually broke up into 5 smaller kingdoms or states. These were Ahmednagar, Bijapur, Golconda, Berar and Bidar. Although these 5 states had their own rulers, they would often unite to fight against their common enemy, the Vijaynagar kingdom. Next, let us learn about the Vijayanagar kingdom. The Vijayanagar kingdom was established in 1336 CE by the brothers Harihara Raya and Bukka Raya. CE. In 1509 CE, Krishnadeva Raya became king. He was one of the greatest rulers of this kingdom. After his death, the Vijayanagar kingdom grew weaker. In 1565 CE, it was defeated by the 5 smaller Behmani states at the Battle of Talikota. Even then, it survived. But in 1646 CE, the last ruler of Vijayanagar was defeated by Bijapur and Golconda, leading to the end of the Vijayanagar kingdom.
So dear student, you got to know through this video that how Vijayanagar kingdom was declined. I think you got the main idea or points that how it declined. Now we will get to know about economic and social life of these kingdoms. The study of history is not just the study of kings. For this purpose, dear students, you have to be there in page number 117. Okay, so it is also the study of the people who lived during those times and what their lives were. If anybody would ask you that what is history, you can simply say that history is the main history is the study of man of the past. Okay, so let us read about the economic and social lives of people in these two kingdoms. As you read, think about how similar or different their lives were to the people of earlier period in history. Economy. The economic life of people in both kingdoms was quite similar. Let us learn about it through the eyes of some foreign travelers. Read their writings on SB9 and think about what they tell you. So you have to go through SB9. So let's read it. SB9. The land has plenty of rice and Indian corn, grains, beans and other kind of crops which are not grown in our parts. Also an endless amount of cotton. It was this statement was given by Domingo Pace. Then next is, in the street live many merchants and there you will find all sorts of rubies and diamonds and emeralds and pearls and seed pearls, clothes, every other sort of things there is on earth and that you may wish to buy. That is written by Domingo Peace. Then the land is crowded with people, but those in the country are very miserable, while the nobles are extremely wealthy and delight in luxury. So this was written by Athanasius Nikitin. So small wordings they have given about Vijayanagar kingdom. So the throne which was extraordinary size, was made of gold. जो महाराजा का sitting place होती है, okay, that is called throne, and enriched with precious stone of extreme value. Before the throne was a square cushion on the edges of which were sewn 3 rows of pearls. This was written by Abdul Razak. Just like in earlier times, most of the kingdom's wealth came from taxes collected from agriculture, and richer thou was fought over because it generated a lot of agricultural revenue. When you were in class yesterday, I just told about this, what is daub. Okay, so you must be familiar with this. Do you remember the Chola practice of giving land grants to temples? uh, this was also followed in Vijaynagar. Okay, this was also followed in Vijaynagar. So interestingly, the priests also took up irrigation work. Okay, so priest जो पुजारी थे, they also used to do irrigation work using part of their wealth to improve agriculture productivity. Additionally, this was also a period when trade flourished in the region, South India, and multiple ports, which allowed people to take part in trade with other countries. Horses, weapons, and precious stones were among the many items that were brought into the kingdom. However, while the kingdom were extremely wealthy, this wealth was not equally distributed among the people. Foreign travelers describe how the royal families and nobles lived in very rich condition, and many of the common people suffered from poverty. So dear students, about society we will be getting to know tomorrow, because today we have to do question answers also. So I will be sending question answers on your WhatsApp group, and I hope that you all will go through doing that in your history notebook. Okay, have a nice day.